big this fish is. God darn, bro. What's up, everybody? John One Over Outdoors. It is 10:55 p.m. We are heading down to Low Falls. We're about a couple of minutes out. My buddy Jeremy's down here. He caught us some brim up this afternoon, and so we're gonna get some brim from him. Dad's on the camera right now. He also got us some crickets, so we're gonna go over to this dock. It has a light I normally catch brim on, and we're gonna try to catch some brim on it. Tonight we're going for some big catfish. We're gonna drag these flats out here. Probably about 3.5, 4 foot of water, and we might even set up in the channel or maybe the river. Depends on how the fish bite. We're going for some quality fish, not quantity, but stay tuned. We're gonna get this boat put in, and we're gonna see if we can't put y'all on some fish. I'm gonna roll over here, see if we can't catch some brim up. I don't see why we shouldn't be able to catch some brim up. Got his butt that time. Yes, sir, buddy. Little brim. There you go, Dad. You got him. Good job, bro. That's a good catfish brim there. There he is. Yes, sir, bro. The sucker swallowed it, too. Got his butt that time. Yep. These are some nice brim. Yes, sir. There he goes. Dad. I didn't know what you were doing with that. Dang, bro. That's a good brim, isn't it? You got him? Good one? It's a good catfish brim. Come on. Yep. Go ahead, one more. Alright, y'all. Caught a good many brim. Got them cut up right there, as you can see. Small chunks. And basically, we're going to throw out these back straight out as far as we can get them. Throw them out a good little ways. And let them run out a little bit. And click them over. Grab another rod. Do the same thing. We're gonna run planers tonight, so there's a good many people out here still. A lot of bow fishermen. This thing's still got slime on it from last time. A lot of slime. Now what we're doing is we're running this tree line here. Running at 0.6 right now. And 5 foot of water. So you can see 5 foot of water. So a lot of big fish on this tree line. And run these planers off the side. Several ways you can run planers. You can throw them out as far as you want to throw them out, or you can throw them out a little ways and let the planer board push itself out, which is more than likely what we're going to do tonight. Oh man, I told you. I told you, Bo. Yeah. Yeah. Man, Bo. Woo! Just get the spotlight. I'm gonna stop the boat. I don't know how big you. Oh. Good job, good job. Man, dude. Get the spotlight. Woo! Whoa, that's a big one there, ain't it? Look how big this fish is. God darn, Bo. He's about to pull us in the dang woods. All right, hold on. Woo, boy. That's what I'm talking about right there. Hold on, let me help you. Son. Woo, that's a big one. That is a big one. That's why you come to Santee Cooper, guys. Big old blue cat right there, ain't it? Big old blue. How much you think he'll go? He'll go 45. What you think, Jeremy?
Yeah, I think about 45.
Can you see him good there?
Yeah.
Big old blue. Santee
good.
Cooper, let's get him in the water. There you go. You got him. All right, hop back there. I think it's probably the planer port. Is that garfish? If you get it up, planer board up, I'll release it. Let me see it. Okay, bring your rod up here. All right, go ahead. Oh, there you go. Is there a fish on there? Is he heavy?
Yeah.
Really? Shad jumping everywhere. Man, this is another decent one. Got him. Man, that's another guy's one. It's another good one, bro. That's a good one. Here, I'm gonna let you hold him up and he's all spawned out. He ain't big. Trying to pop that stupid. Oh, there it goes. Feels like a blue. No, might be a channel. No, it's a little blue.
Net 'em.
Little blue. Little bitty fish. Here you go. Nope, you got it. Flathead. It's a good fish, I'll tell you that much. I told you, don't they hit weird? Hop up on the back. Keep pressure on him because it will come off. All right, let me get this net. Is he fighting? Well, you got current too, so I don't know how big he is. They don't fight like a blue, do they? No, it's a flathead. Nice flathead. A little bitty flathead. Oh, Bubba. I got him. All right. All right, hold him right there and I'll get a picture of him. Turn your little... Here, I get it. I get it. Yep. So that's going to wrap up tonight's video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. Caught some good fish. Caught a really big fish. Consistency is key when catching these big fish. Use some fresh bait. Showed y'all something else. Catching brim at night. That's another thing. I've done that for a while now, but I figured I'd put that on the video. You don't necessarily have to have a dock with a light, but just basically your areas that you normally catch brim in. But did you have fun? Yeah, Jeremy, I heard Jeremy texted me. They caught some good fish tonight. He had two around 20 pounds. So, but as always, please subscribe to the channel. Check me out on Pride Outdoor Network. Hit the video, hit the like button, hit the share button. And as always, thanks for watching and God bless.